Smart School Principal Panel. In previous video, we have seen how to add timetable for the respective school class level and class. Now, and reflections to the teacher, parent, and student panel. Now, we will see how to add the attendance for the respective student. First of all, we need to assign the lecture for the respective class level and for the respective class level we have to check as we have added the timetable for third primary class B for the English and Urdu lectures for Wednesday. English and Urdu lectures for Wednesday. So we principal can set the timetable. Principal can set attendance for the English and Urdu lectures only for the Wednesday, for the current date only, and make sure there will be student which belongs to the same third primary B class, and we have added the teacher for the respective for the respective lecture, that is English and Urdu. If so, please select the attendance tab from the left sidebar and click on the here you can see principal cannot edit the date, that is he can view the attendance for the previous days but he cannot add the attendance for the previous dates. So he can principal can add the attendance for the current date only. So we have to select the level, that is third primary, then class, that is B. We have added the lecture, that is for English, and here is the teacher assigned for that lecture. Now click on blue button. Here is the student of this level and class. So principal can make it present or absent by just clicking on the this option. Now click on save button. If principal absent that particular student and click on save button, then absentee is marked for the respective student. Okay. Here, if there are multiple students available for the respective class level and class, then we can see them here, and principal can make their principal can make their present or absent. Okay. Now principal can print the attendance by just clicking on print button like that. Okay. Now, like principal, teacher also make attendance for student by just clicking on attendance tab, manage attendance tab under the attendance tab in teacher panel. Teacher can also make attendance for the current day only, so he has to select the level, then respective class and the period. There are only two lectures assigned for this teacher, so we can see only those periods here. Click on go button. Here, teacher can see that principal make absentee for the stages. Now he can make him present. By clicking on save button, our attendance will get saved. attendance stored successfully. Like principal, teacher can also print the attendance by just clicking on print button. Now, student can view the attendance as we have teacher make the student present. So in student panel, click on the attendance tab in left sidebar, and you can means student can see the attendance for the current date, and he can also view the attendance for the previous days also, but we have make the attendance for current day only, so he can view the attendance for current day period 1. If we assign the attendance for second period, that is lecture Urdu, and click on go button and make it absent, and click on save button. Then in student panel, student can view the attendance for the second period, that is absent. Like this, student can view the attendance of all the periods for the current day and selected date. Okay, now let's move to the again principal panel. Principal can make attendance for all the lectures, but teacher can make attendance for the only lectures assigned to the respective teacher, and student can view the attendance of the all the lectures. Now we will check the parent panel. Like student, parent can also view the student attendance by just clicking on left sidebar attendance tab. The parent can view the attendance for the respective student which he selected. Parent can view the attendance for the previous days also and current day also. But now we will again move to the principal panel. Now we will see how to add the attendance. No. Now we will see how to add the exams for the respective school, respective level. We have to we have to click on left sidebar uh, on exam tab, and then click on the add exam tab under the exam tab. Then we have to select the level, that is I will select third primary. Now select the class, then select course type. If we select master course, then principal can add the exam for the master course like English, Urdu, Science, Maths, History, Geography, Geometry, etc. But if we principal select the additional course, if he is going to add the exam for additional course, then we have to add the additional course from additional courses module. In previous videos we have seen how to add, and we have added this personality development code development additional course. So uh, I will select this and select the exam date. I will select 23rd March 2017. Select the exam time. I will select 10 a.m. Exam place. Enter the exam place. Then select the teacher. Select the supervisor for the exam. So I will select this supervisor. Now enter the exam description. So I'll just simply add the dummy text. You can add the valid exam description. Then click on save button. By clicking on save button, exam will get created. Exam created successfully. When exam is created, student for the respective level and class can view that exam. Here, this is the student, our Tejas. We can see when new exam is added by principal, then student will receive the notification about the exam, and he can check that exam by just clicking on exam tab on on the left sidebar, or by clicking on the view details button on the notifications tab on the notifications panel. Now we can see, that means student can see the exam added by principal. Here is the exam details. Similar to the uh, student, principal can view the exam. This is the personality development additional course exam principal have created right now, and parent can view it just like student. Now, like parent and student, teacher also can view the exam details, because this teacher is assigned as a supervisor to this exam. If this teacher is not assigned for this exam as a supervisor, then he will not able to view the exam details. And when principal assign this uh, teacher as a supervisor to the particular exam, then he will receive the notification that you are assigned as a supervisor for the exam of level 3rd and class B, and the course name with date and location. Now let's let's see the template module on principal panel. These are the email templates. These are the email templates, and these are the SMS templates. When principal performs some actions, like when principal add exam, we have just seen when principal add exam, student will receive the notification, like that student also receive the email notification. That means mail for the with exam details, and parent also receive the mail with exam details. For that we have created the email template. So principal can change edit that email template by just clicking on edit email template button. From here principal can edit the email template. He can change all the information and just click on the, he can view the preview of the email template like this. Then by just clicking on update button, he can edit the email template. Similar to the email template, principal can edit SMS template also. So this is the template module. All is about whatever the mails and SMSs is going to be sent from our system. So principal can edit their email and SMS template. Okay, thank you.